Welcome to this video on electrical virtual trainers available in Automation Studio. If you are interested in learning about electrical systems in a practical and safe way, this video is for you. When starting a new electrical project in Automation Studio, we can choose a folder of templates with documents ready for educational trainings. These templates provide us with a wide variety of systems with the necessary components to start. Each virtual trainers is organized by topics. For example, in these two folders, we have templates for working with residential electrical circuits, whether for North America or Europe. To understand a little how it works, we will open this practical case that we have here. As we can see, all the components are already presented in the document. Here we can make the connections between the components that we want. The wires can be represented as curved, being able to move it as we wish, or we can also represent them using straight wire. We will assemble a very simple system by connecting the neutral wire to a ground terminal and connecting it with a series of bulbs. Now that we have the circuit mounted in series, we will see that we can use the multimeter tool to measure the current or the voltage. As we can see, having a circuit in series, the voltage is distributed between these two identical bulbs and the electrical current is the same in any part of the circuit. It is also possible to change or move components present in the trainer. We simply have to enter the layers of the document and unlock the layer that contains the initial components. It is also possible to insert new components into this same circuit, for example, inserting a higher power bulb. As we can see, the difference in resistance alters the electrical current and also the difference in voltage in each bulb. This is a practical case available within the residential electricity section. However, we have other practical cases in this same section and on other topics as well. We have practices with protoboards or electric boards, direct current relay logic, motor control, electricity for automotive systems, frequency drives, a garage door opening system, and renewable energy elements such as photovoltaic panels or wind turbines. For example, in the motor control practice, we have a motor, contactor, and all kinds of switches and components to create motor control circuits. For more information about the Automation Studio software, we invite you to visit our website. Thank you very much for watching this video.